Kenyan marathon runners still top the world marathon major standings, despite none of them winning the Berlin Marathon yesterday. The series picks two of the best performances in a year, and with only Chicago and New York City marathons left, the titles are as good as decided. Title holder and Olympic champion Eliud Kipchoge leads the men's category on 50 points after winning two races this year, the London Marathon in April for the first 25 points, and then the Olympic gold in Rio for his second victory. In second place is newly crowned Berlin Marathon champion Kenenisa Bekele of Ethiopia on 34 points, followed by Lemi Berhanu Haile on 25 points. Jemima Sumgong could take the women's title from Mary Keitany after also winning the London Marathon and the Olympic title for 50 points. She is followed by Ethiopia's Berlin Marathon champion Aberu Kebede and Astede Baisa, also of Ethiopia, both on 25 points. The marathon majors consists of 6 city races, that is Tokyo, London, Boston, Berlin, Chicago and New York City, as well as the Olympics and the World Championships. Title winners pocket a cool 50 million shillings.